Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. Today's video, I just want to focus on saying thank you. And the reason why I'm so thankful is we just had our qualifying tournament in Riverside, and I ended up winning the Mentor Award for the tournament, and I was just blown away. I didn't even know that was a thing. And I was kind of sitting here thinking, should I even mention this? And just going back and forth, I thought, you know what? It would be just the perfect opportunity to thank a lot of people and to hopefully inspire some of you guys. I definitely want to thank Richard Sisk. I remember that day, the first day we went out to Riverside. I brought my team out and you were holding a kind of a informational session for the day on First Lego League, and my eyes were like wide open, like I need to soak up as much of this as I can. And it was just that day that you sparked just this real huge interest, just this real passion for First Lego League. Like, I got to get this going on with my students. It looks so amazing. And so, Richard, that mentor award should have gone to you because you're my mentor. I want to thank you for all the times I've shot you questions. And I'm like, help Richard, and that's what mentors do. They're there to help people out that, just need the help. We haven't gone through something before and we just need a little assistance just to get that ball rolling until we finally figure it out. And that's just the beauty about this whole thing, is that's how this robotics channel got started. I remember that day that I was going to teach robotics and I'm like, what the heck, I don't know what's going on, I don't know what to do. And I just felt like this would be the perfect opportunity to help out teachers that feel the same way. Like, what am I going to do? What's the first step? How do I get to the next step? So definitely, Richard, thank you. Definitely all of my students that I've had First Lego League, from the present to the past. First Lego League is just amazing. It's just a great time to compete, to have fun. And it's just, I can't even go further than that. It's just an amazing time. The memories will last forever. So I want to thank my current students, the former students that have just made this ride such an amazing ride. I want to thank all of you guys that are watching that have just, you've asked questions. And that's what drives me every day, is just to have my own students in my class, my First Lego League students, you guys just being able to say, this is exciting, but we need to know how to get, how to get certain things done. How does this work? And that's the fun part, is when everybody, can understand this, then we can move forward. We can have fun. We can realize what our potential is. So, so many people to thank. I don't want to leave people out. Thank you, Coach Oliver and the Tech Warriors. You guys have been amazing. Steve from Texas. Everybody that has, shot me emails, left comments. You guys have just been, again, the reason why I started this channel, just to be able to answer questions. And it's so exciting to hear from people from all over the world, Australia and Europe and, South Africa. It's just a really neat time right now, because my students are like, man, Mr. They do robotics in Japan and all these other places. And it's just neat for them to understand that this community is just so tight knit, but it's just all over the world. So I want to thank again, the Borns family. We went to the Innovation Center. That place is amazing. John, thank you. Mitch, thank you. All the teams that showed up, thank you. So I just, from the bottom of my heart, I'm humbled by this, and it just drives me to do more. When people say, Mr. I need, this question answered, I'm like, sure. If you got anything else, shoot it my way, because it's just, that's what I wake up thinking about. How can I help people? So this video was, just a thank you to all of you that have just made this robotics ride amazing and fun. And hopefully it continues. Our championships is December 12th. So I'm hoping to see a lot of teams out there in Poway. I know the other Southern California, they were going to West High. I used to live near West High. So it's an amazing time. December is always exciting because those championships, that's our time. So we're working hard trying to get things done. But I just wanted to take the time to thank a lot of folks for that mentor award. I appreciate it, and that just inspires me to just move forward. Coaches, you guys do an amazing job. You put aside your time, your after school time. Like me, you have to wear a mask for that extra time. So I get it. It's rough, but it's rewarding in the end. So you guys keep plugging away. Just keep driving to be better than you were the day before. And again, thank you guys for that mentor award. I am Mr. Hino from Miss Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.